Hello first year, so this week we're looking at ratio, which is a new topic, and this video is on sharing a ratio. So here we've got the question: there are 81 people at a show. The ratio of girls to boys is 3 to 6. Find out how many boys and girls there are. Now I'm going to use a bar to represent this because I find it much easier. So here is a bar, and it's going to represent all the people. So that is all 81 people. Okay. Now I'm sharing this ratio 3 to 6. How many parts are there all together? 3 and 6, there's 9. That is 9 parts. So I am going to split this bar into 9 bits. 1, perfect. So I've now got 9 bits. Now they're not equal, okay, it's a rough sketch, I've not got a ruler, but that doesn't really matter, okay. The most important thing is that I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 parts. Now 3 of those parts are for the girls and 6 are for the boys. Now before we start dividing them up, what is each part worth? So the whole thing's 81, and I've cut it up into 9 bits. What's each block going to be worth? 9. Well done. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, and 9. Okay, if I add up all these 9s, I should get 81. So, girls, there is 3 for girls. So those 3 are my girls. And there's 3 of them, so that's 27. And this other 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all of those are my boys. And that's 54. Okay, let's do another one. So a bag contains 28 balls. The ratio of red to blue balls is 3 to 4. Find out how many red balls and how many blue balls there are. So same thing again, I'm going to draw a bar, and that's going to represent all my balls, all 28 balls. And my ratio was 3 to 4. Okay, so how many parts do I have altogether? Well, I've got 3 parts and 4 parts, 7 parts. So we're going to split this bar into 7 parts. Alright, and how much is each part worth? Well, I've got 28 and I've split it into 7, so each part is worth 4. So each part has 4 balls. Right, for my red, it says red is 3 and my blue is 4. So I'm not going to circle, I'm just going to do wee arrows this time, make it a wee bit neater. These 3 here are going to be my red, and these 4 here, they are going to be my blue. So red balls, I've got 12, and blue balls, I've got 16. Alright, now we're going to move it a little bit harder. We're going to start sharing a ratio when we have 3 parts. So here's our next example that's got the 3 parts. So we've got Louise, Tom and Tim who are sharing £160 in the ratio 4, 5, 7. How much money do they each receive? Very important question because we don't want to shortchange anyone. So here's my bar that is worth £160. And I'm going to need to split it into how many parts. Well, I've got 7, I've got 5 and I've got 4. So it's going to be 16 parts I split my bar into. You might need to bear with me here as I split it up. There we go, 16 parts. how much money did they each receive? So we've got our 16 parts and we've got £160. So what's each part going to be? £10. So 10, 10, 10, 10. I would put the pound sign, but I don't think it's going to fit. And I'm trying to work around this visualizer, so I don't fancy trying to do a pound sign with the visualizer in the way. So each part is worth 10. So we've got Louise here who gets 4, so she gets those 4. That's L for Louise. We've got Tom who gets 5. So Tom. And we've got Tim who gets 7. So overall, Louise gets 4 tens, so she gets £40. Hard luck. Tom gets 5 of them, so he gets 50. And Tim, Mr. Moneybags, is getting 70. And we're going back to our bag of balls here. This time